carry back, she want me to see my head. What do you carry loud, you pass it banga. Not for my head, I go die for you.
Brother Shaggy.
Hey, hello, I'm Shaggy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Brother Shaggy, do you think Nigeria is a lingua franca country?
Lingua franca.
Yes, sir.
Lingua franca. We should be okay. Whether franca is from Nigeria country. Blood of Nebuchadnezzar.
That's not what I meant, sir.
What do you mean?
Huh? I mean, do you think Nigeria has adopted other languages?
Okay, well, I don't know that way they talk. For Thursday, Amaka, how are you? You know they can't charge your phone for you, it's a big yash.
Brother Shaggy.
Shaggy. Lingua franca na. Lingua franca.
Let's put it this way, sir. How many Nigerian languages can you speak?
3.
You sure? Can you mention them to us?
Yoruba. Oye, I'm not so Yoruba dada. Ijebu. I'm not so Jebu. I go for mo so Jebu mo se ran we. Ran we ki dey se ra. You dey speak in Ajeno. Oye,
Brother Shaggy.
Answer. Hello, Shaggy. Don't talk for boy jare. Oye, what's the key now? No, so you go say what? The helping hand is a leprosy activated. Oh yeah. Thank you.
That doesn't make sense.